Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the number is positive, otherwise ln is undefined. Next, locate the ln function on your calculator or software. If your device only has log base 10, use change of base, ln x equals log 10 x times ln 10. Enter the number precisely, avoid rounded inputs. Once done, press ln or compute using the formula. If you prefer manual checks, approximate with e-powers, compare x to 2, 7, 7, 4, etc., so you understand magnitude before final calculation. You now carry out the change of base step when ln is absent. Compute log 10, x, then multiply by ln 10, which is about 2, 302,585. Use the calculator's log key, input x, then multiply. Make sure to keep extra digits if you need precision. Rounding early loses accuracy. For numbers close to 1, you can use the linear approximation ln x, approximately x minus 1 to estimate quickly. If you need higher precision, switch to natural log functions in programming libraries or high-precision calculators. You finish by verifying the computed ln, raise e to the result, and confirm it equals your original number with intolerances. If results differ, recompute with more precision or alternate tool. Make sure signs make sense. Values below 1 give negative results, above 1 give positive results. If you see huge errors, check for input base confusion or accidental degree/radian mode in software. Troubleshooting tip: if exponentiation fails, re-enter the original x precisely, and repeat the ln calculation to rule out typing mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.